Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Reddy Manne. I'm part of Informatica Global Customer Support team. In this presentation, we'll be going through how to use personal staging location in Databricks Delta Connection in cloud data engineering. Moving on, today's agenda is what is personal staging location in Databricks Delta Connection, rules and guidelines for personal staging location, demo, log entries, and summary. Moving on, what is personal staging location in Databricks Delta Connection? In the current flow, you can only select AWS or Azure for staging the temporary staging files which are created, but from the October release onwards, you can use the personal staging location. When you create a new Databricks Delta connection, by default, you can use the personal staging location. It will point it to personal staging location. You can switch to AWS or Azure based on your requirements. Let me explain the current flow. In the current flow, first, the data will be staged in the AWS or Azure environment, and an insert query will be triggered by using the temporary file from AWS or Azure, and then the temporary file will be deleted after the mapping execution is completed successfully. In the new flow, first the source data is read, and it will be stored in the secure agents Java temporary location in Poker format, and then it will be pushed to the Databricks personal staging location, which will be /temp, and the username will be picked from the token, and inside that it will store the temporary file, and then it will run a insert query using that. I will show these all in the log entries, and then it will it both the temporary files will be deleted from the secure agent as well as the personal staging location. And by default, /temp will be used for the secure agent storage location. If you want to change, you can configure this property to change to a different path. And if you change that one, make sure you have the read and write permissions in the directory, and you have the enough disk space to store the staging data. When you select personal staging location, you should consider the following rules. First, you can only specify the Unity enabled catalog in the SQL warehouse DTPC URL. Like when you create a connection, you need to provide the Unity enabled catalog in the SQL JDBC URL, and all mappings that are configured run without SQL ETL optimization. Like the mappings will run without SQL ETL optimization. The data is stored in a folder stage :/temp username, where username is picked from the Databricks token provided in the connection and requires read and write access to the personal staging location in root location of AWS and Azure. Like this, you need to take care regarding the read and write permissions of the personal staging location. It uses /temp, and the username will be picked from the token which you have provided. When you configure the mapping to have staged the data in personal staging location, the temporary data is not deleted when the mapping stops appropriately, like it's not finishes and stopping in the middle. At the time, the temporary data is not deleted. And personal staging location does not apply to Databricks cluster, so you can use it only with SQL warehouse. And you cannot use personal staging location when you configure mappings in advanced mode, so you can run the mappings in cloud data engineering currently. And if you want to create a new table target at the runtime, then you need to provide the table location. Here you need to provide the absolute path of the directory where you want to create the table location. Moving on to the demo part, let me go back to the admin console and show you. Like by default, when you create a Databricks Delta connection, it uses the personal staging location, and you need to pass the catalog name, and this has to be a SQL warehouse URL, and you have to pass the catalog. And if you want to use a different directory, then you need to go to the data integration service properties, and in the JVM option, you need to add this property to the different directory section. Move it back. These are some of the log entries. As you can see, the personal staging location is staged under /temp GCS@Informatica, where GCS@Informatica.com is the username which is picked from the token provided, and then an insert query will be triggered by using the same location, and at the end the staging file is deleted both from the secure agent as well as the Databricks. And I have used the default slash temp. If you want, you can change it to the different by providing that property, like for the secure agent instead of using the slash temp. You can go through the below document for more details. We would like to hear from you on our social media handles. Please give us your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.